at anyone. So I hope you're enjoying yourself. It's my birthday month. Every day is a celebration. Every day I bring you something new, something to remind you about your own happiness and about staying afloat. Today, remember, it is only you that counts. So take the time to enjoy you. This is me enjoying my little time outside. Go make a video too, and then you can come share with us on TikTok, or even better, open a YouTube channel and then share it there. Make the fun. You are the happy people on earth. I am happiness, and you are happiness too. So start sharing your experience, and just remember, happiness is you.